Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Ebony Pham and we are going to be looking at some different machines and equipment that you are going to be using. We are going to be looking at the drill press. We're going to learn how to set it up safely and use it safely, and we're going to look at PPE. Before you use the drill press, we need to mark out your wood. So to do that, what we need is some equipment such as a marking gauge, a ruler, and a tri-square. So when we mark out our leg for our dowel joints, what we want to do is we want to mark for holes that line up nice and neatly according to a center line here. So the holes that go down the center line also need to match up with the rail that is being attached to the frame of the table. To mark out your rails and your legs, what you need to do is you need to set your marking gauge to half of the width of your timber. Then, once this is set, we draw a line along the end grain of the wood, just like that. Go over it with a pencil. And then we need to mark out where our holes are going to go. So on a rail this wide, I'd probably put them about 15 millimeters from each edge. To mark out the legs, we need to have similar markings like this. So our 15 millimeter markings on our rail need to match up with our leg rail as well. So we'll mark the center of our leg rail first. Here's the marking gauge I prepared earlier. We just need to start our center mark just a little bit longer than that rail. Make sure they match up with on the rail. And there we have it. We're all ready to drill. So on our rail, we are using the horizontal borer. On our leg, we can use the horizontal borer or the drill press. We're here at the drill press and we're ready to start drilling our dowel holes for our legs. So we've already marked out our legs and we have set up the drill press with this jig. It's already been set up so that the drill only goes about halfway into the depth of the wood, so it won't come through to the other side when you're drilling this hole. So please let us know if you need some help to set this up. We have this jig here so that it helps us hold the wood in place when we're drilling. It's clamped down to the table so it won't move. So when we are ready to start drilling, we need to make sure that our drill bit is positioned perfectly where our lines cross over. We use the center point of the drill bit nice and close to our marking when we are setting up our hole. When we're ready to start drilling, we need our safety gear on. Earmuffs, safety glasses, we need to be wearing safe working shoes, and we should be wearing an apron as well. So when we're ready, we turn on the machine on the side here, and our off switch is where our knee is down the bottom here. When we are finished drilling our hole, we can push it with our knee. Make sure that the guard is down and hold it as far away as you can with your hand. As you saw there, I started with my drill bit out of the hole, out of the wood, and then I brought it down into the wood until I was all the way in, and then I brought it back up.